soursop juice. Let's make it. I find soursop, so I'm gonna make some soursop juice. And I also found this one. It was frozen, but I thaw it to add it to this. See? I used to have a soursop tree in my yard, you know. And it come like me never used to know the value of it, you know. Never used to know the value, but now, you know how much for that soursop at $10. $10. All the skin should I eat the way this dear. Not true. Oh man. Them used to say this is good for something. I never remember what it's good for. We got riches. I go wash my hand and come back again. Alright. Sometimes I can't believe if I take out a seed out of them now. Back in the days, we usually squeeze this with the hand whenever I use no blender. But I'm going to use a blender to forget alright. Tastes fresh and nice. Just in case you're wondering what it tastes like, it is sweet and tangy. Kind of tastes like jackfruit in a way. Custard apple. I don't even know. Pineapple. I don't even know what to tell you. It tastes tropical. Very tropical. Finally done. Add a little bit of water first. Then add in the soursop. We're gonna do it in a 2 batch. I don't want it to be pulpy, so I'm gonna strain, okay? Just a little bit of water. Where I get with everything out of this. It's looking nice and creamy. Mama ever add to it a lime? I never know what I strain because the lime I never have seed. I don't know what I'm straining. Time to serve this up. Taste test. Let's go. Wow. Classic. Never gets old. Want one more sip? Give them one more sip?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is so refreshing. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you ever have soursop before. Ever drink soursop yet? Have you ever drink soursop? Ever tried soursop? Ever seen soursop? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.